Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make this delicious and tasty coconut rice. If you want to know how I achieve this, please keep watching. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. For my list of ingredients, I have chopped onions, coconut oil and coconut milk. I have parboiled washed rice. I have here red and yellow bell pepper, white and purple onions, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and garlic. I have chicken stock or broth. I have dry catfish, bonga fish and fried mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice. The first thing I will be doing is to add the coconut oil into a clean pan and allow this to hold for some seconds, and then I will add the chopped onions and fry for some minutes, and thereafter I will add the fried mackerel fish, washed bonga fish and the washed dry fish. When doing this, please make sure you remove all the bones, and then I will go ahead to stir fry this for few minutes, and then I will show you the next thing to do. Guys, we are building up flavor. At this point my kitchen is full of nice aroma. After frying it for some minutes, I'll go ahead to add the rough blended onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and ginger and garlic first. And then I will stir this together before adding the next ingredient, which is going to be the red and yellow bell pepper. I also rough blended this as well. Why I did or why I added the scotch bonnet pepper and the rest first is just to awaken the flavor and the aroma. Next, I will add more maggi and then add salt, and thereafter I will go ahead to add some blended crayfish as well, and then I will give everything a stir. And if you have watched up to this moment and you enjoyed this video, why don't you go ahead to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. And if you have been following me for some time now, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe. Now I'll go ahead to cover this up to cook for some minutes, and thereafter I will open up the pan and I will show you the next thing to do. At this point, I will be adding the parboiled rice. I'm not using basmati rice. I'm not really a fan of it, but you can feel free to use any rice of your choice. At this point, I'll be adding the curry powder, and then I'll go ahead to add nutmeg. This is very optional, okay? And then I will show you the next thing to do. I will give everything a stir, and then I will go ahead to cover to cook for just few minutes, and then I'll open up the pan and add the next ingredient, which is going to be the coconut milk, and then I'll go ahead to stir this up properly before adding the next ingredient. Now I'll be adding the chicken stock or broth. If you don't have this, you can add water as well. Now I'll go ahead to add just a little water because the rice I'm using is a little bit hard. And then I will give everything a stir. After stirring it, I'll go ahead to test for salt and maggi. And thereafter I'll be adding more salt, and then I'll also add maggi for taste. Then I'll give it a good stir and test again if everything is okay. And now that everything is perfect, I will go ahead to cover this up with foil paper, and then I will cook this for 5 to 10 minutes or until well cook. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'll take off both the foil paper and the cover pot. Guys, at this point, our coconut rice is almost ready. Then I will go ahead to give this a stir, just fluff it up, and then I will show you what to do next. Guys, I wish you're in my kitchen at this point. The aroma and the scent is nose blinding. Are you going to be trying this? I allowed this to cook for some few minutes and then I went ahead to serve. My God, this food was so yummy, was so tasty. I enjoyed it. Every member of my family enjoyed it as well. Guys, give this a try, and if you do so, please let me know. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my video. I'll be seeing you in my next video, but keep eating good food, okay? And stay safe. See you. Bye.